مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Mr. Osama Abdul Rauf introducing student book review of Unit 6, Health and Fitness. Let's start our work for today. Open your student books page 94 because today inshallah we are going to do exercises A, B and C. Let's start with exercise A. Here is exercise A. Choose A, B, C or D. We have here 10 sentences and we have choices. As you notice, this exercise deals with vocabulary. You can find idioms too. Because this exercise is a review, I'd like to ask you to pause the video and try to do these sentences individually, and after that play the video for discussion. Good luck. Here are the answers. Number 1. Yusuf is one of the best tennis players in the world. So far this year, no one has space him. Lost him? No. Won him? No. Failed him? No. Yes, no one has beaten him. يعني ما في أحد هزمه. Okay? I hope you did it well. Now let's move to number 2. Who wants to space and ask the first question? Who wants to? Yes, we have here idioms, 4 idioms. A, show the ropes. No. We all know that show the ropes mean to tell someone how to do something, okay? But it doesn't go with this sentence or this question. Jump the gun. Also no. C, get the ball rolling. What do you think? Yes, it's the right answer. It means to start. Yes, so who wants to start or get the ball rolling and ask the first question? So let's move to number 3. Some food has many added space to make it last longer. Yes, what do you think? Yes, preservatives, مواد حافظة. That's right. Number 4, it's a or an space activity that requires participants to use all their physical energy in order to complete it. Yes, what do you think? هذا التمرين النشاط يتطلب من المشاركين بذل أو طاقة كبيرة، بذل طاقة كبيرة. يبقى هذا الموضوع strenuous، شاق. Yes, true. The answer here is strenuous. Okay, let's move to number 5. Millions of space from all over the world watch the World Cup on television. What do you think? Opponents? متخاصمون أو متنافسون? Viewers? Yes, true. Why? Because to watch on a TV, then you are a viewer. Audience معناها طبعا يا شباب زي ما احنا عارفين اللي هو الجمهور اللي بيكون في المسرح، بيكون في كونسرت، حفل موسيقي مثلا. Spectators بيكونوا داخل الملعب. Okay? So the answer in number 5 is B, viewers. What about number 6? Even though Mubarak sprained his ankle, يعني حصل له التواء في الكاحل, when he fell, he insisted. Yes, insisted is followed by on. That's right. Number 7. Look around you. انظر حولك. We're now standing on the archaeological space of Olympia, where the first Olympic Games took place. Yes, the answer here is site. So what's the difference between site and location? Yes, location is related to geography. The location where I'm going, I can use Google Maps or something like that, okay? But the site is the place where something is fixed or done, okay? Thank you. Now let's move to number 8. Peter hates losing, which is why he claims that the wet weather space to the disappointing outcome of the match. Yes, contributed, it means أسهم في النتيجة السيئة أو المحبطة لمباراته. Number 9. To say that we've been having scorching weather is an space. It's simply hotter than usual. Yes. يعني نقول إن الجو كان حار جدا فهذا يعد فراغ لأن الجو مجرد أكثر حرارة من المعتاد بشوي. So it's an exaggeration. Exaggeration معناها مبالغة. Okay? And finally, number 10, doing mild exercise might help space your backache. Yes, alleviate your backache معناها to relieve يخفف الألم الذي في ظهرك. I hope you all did the exercise well and you got 10 out of 10. Thank you, and let's move to the next one, which is exercise B. Here is exercise B. As you can notice, exercise B, models. Again, I'll give you some time to do this exercise. Go on. Here are the answers. Number 1. He space register for the course online because the website had crashed. يعني هو فراغ يسجل في الكورس online لأن الموقع كان متعطلا. So he couldn't register. Yes, the answer is B. What about number 2? Those of you who want to take part in the marathon, space start training. What do you think? Yes, this sentence is advice, right? So when we advise someone, when we give someone a piece of advice, we use had better. Yes, true. Number 3. We space buy any camping gear in the end. We borrowed everything from my cousin. So ما كان في داعي. And the sentence is in the past, right? So which choice here is in the past? Yes, C, didn't have to. لاحظوا يا شباب أن questions 4 and 5 are from the skipped part of the overview. يعني من الأجزاء الملغاة. Now let's move to question number 6. You should space your boss that you were going to be late. This sentence is in the past, right? Okay, we have here C and D. Only these two options are in the past. So you should, yes, have informed. كان يجب أن تكون قد أخبرت رئيسك في العمل أنك ستتأخر. Alright? Understood? I hope so. Number 7. Dana and Amira space each other. I saw them talking earlier. هذه الجملة تعبر عن استنتاج, deduction in the present. Okay? So the answer is A, must know each other. Okay. What about number 8? You space been killed if you had fallen off that cliff. You should watch your step. Yes, could have been killed. Alright? يعني كان يمكن أن تقتل أو تموت if you had fallen off لو كنت قد سقطت من هذا المنحدر. Number 9. He space have been at work yesterday because he told me he would be out. Yes, he can't have been. لاحظوا كده يا شباب ان احنا لما بننفي في الماضي المودلز لما ننفيهم في الماضي نستخدم بعدهم have plus past participle. يعني في الجملة رقم 9 الجملة معناها ان هو لم يكن بالتأكيد في العمل بالأمس because لأنه أخبرني أنه سيكون خارج المدينة. Thank you very much. Now it's time to move to exercise C. Exercise C. Complete the second sentence so that it has a similar meaning to the first sentence, using the word given. Do not change the word given. You must use between 2 and 5 words, including the word given. Again, there is a note here that the first question is from the skipped part of the overview. السؤال الأول ملغى ليس علينا في منهج هذا العام. So what about number 2? It was impossible for my dad to fix the car. هنا يريد السائل أن نستخدم كلمة able يعني قادر على أو يستطيع، يعني نفس كلمة can. For example, when you say I can do something, you can say it in another way using I am able to do that thing, okay? So here it was impossible for my dad to fix the car. My dad space the car. لاحظ ان الجملة في الماضي it was impossible. كان من المستحيل لأبي أن يصلح السيارة. يبقى لم يكن قادرا على أن يصلح السيارة. Right? So the answer is my dad, yes, wasn't able to fix the car. Okay? Now let's move to questions 3 and 4. Please pause the video, try to do the 2 sentences yourself, and then play the video again to check your answers. Here are the answers of number 3 and 4. Number 3. It was a mistake not to take the complaint seriously. ought يعني يجب عليك أن تستخدم في النصيحة. هنا في السؤال معنى السؤال يقول أنها كان من الخطأ ألا تتعامل مع الشكوى بجدية. يبقى كان يجب أن نتعامل مع الشكوى بجدية، صح؟ أليس كذلك؟ So the answer should be like this. We ought to have taken the complaint seriously. But why ought to have? What do you think? Because the sentence is in the past. And we said before that to use modals in the past يعني عشان نستخدم المودلز في الماضي لازم نحط معاهم have والتصريف الثالث للفعل. Okay? Okay, let's move to number 4. It was unnecessary for you to spend so much money on presents. لاحظ الجملة برضو في الماضي. Okay? يبقى المفروض تستخدم don't ولا didn't. بس هنا ما ينفعش تقول didn't spent، صح؟ لأن هو يبيك تستخدم كلمة spent إما أن تكون ماضي أو تصريف ثالث. ففي المودلز لما يكون عندك الجملة في الماضي أو في التصريف الثالث بتستخدم have والتصريف الثالث للفعل اللي هو have spent. So the answer is needn't have or shouldn't have spent so much money on presents. Okay? يعني ممكن ناخدها كنصيحة. لو أخذناها كنصيحة نقول نصيحة في الماضي طبعا لم يكن من الواجب عليك أن تنفق هذا الكم من المال على الهدايا. أو ما كان يحتاج you needn't have spent so much money on presents. Okay? I hope this video was helpful to you and helped you revise some important parts in Unit 6. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.
مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.